Yo, hey people. So this is a video especially for New York. Hey New York, how are you? Well, g'day mates, all right, because I'm from Australia. All right, my name is Coach Neil Kelliher. All right, I'm here in New York for about a month or so. I've got some clients here and I've got some friends here that want to possibly introduce me to some of their friends that might need my help. So this is a quick video just for you. Okay, so I'm here in New York, pretty much in central New York. I am an expert natural healing specialist. Okay, so if you've got any disease, illness, condition, ailment, problem that you are struggling with, okay, that the traditional medical fraternity have not been able to help you with, or they simply just medicate you for, but you're not getting any better, then I'm your guy. All right, I am one of the leading experts in the world at what I do, and I help people heal themselves naturally. Okay, between myself and my clients, my family, we've healed just about everything that you can probably think of, okay, except for late-stage neurodegenerative conditions like ALS, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and of course late-stage cancer, which is very, very difficult to reverse. Okay, so that's part of what I do. The other part is I'm also a biohacking peak performance specialist. All right, so if you want to take your mind and body to the next level, then I'm your guy. All right, so that's what I do. Okay, I'm an expert natural healing coach or a biohacking peak performance specialist. All right, so I am not a personal trainer. I am not a guy that writes diets and training programs. All right, I will work with people only specifically on my 60-day total health management coaching program, okay, which is called THUMP, Total Health Management Program for you. Okay, so that's pretty much about it. I'm in New York. I'm here for about a month. Okay, so if you need some help to take your health and mind and body to the next level, I'm your guy. If you need some help to heal your body from a serious illness or disease, I'm your guy. All right. If you don't know who I am, check me out. Go through my profile. Go through my testimonials. You'll see that I am as good as I proclaim. All right. How do you know? Well, let's just put it this way. When a professional needs help and they're stuck, they come to me. Okay. In the last 9 months, I've had about 7 or 8 professionals in a similar field as mine, as in health, fitness, diet, nutrition, wellness, so on and so forth. They come to me for help. All right. So I am the guy that's up here. All right. So if you need help, I'm your guy. All right. Talk to you soon.